Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another video with YesStyle and I'm super excited for this one. So YesStyle is celebrating their 15th birthday and for that we're doing a giveaway together. So I will be picking out two winners that will be winning a $50 coupon code or credits that you can spend on their website. So there will be two winners. I will put all the information you need to know to enter this giveaway down below in the description, and I will be announcing the winners at the end of this week, and you can find that back in the description or in the comments. So for this video, YesStyle sent me a little package which includes their bestsellers in K-beauty, K-skincare, clothing and lifestyle, and I'm just gonna unbox these things with you guys and just show you what a lot of people tend to buy on YesStyle, and maybe like that gives you some inspiration on what to buy if you win that $50. So yeah, let's just begin with the first thing that I want to show you guys, which is this lovely top. I'm so happy with this top and I want it in multiple colors, so I'm probably gonna get that for my next YesStyle haul. But this top is so cute. Like, this is just, it's stretchy, it's airy, it's perfect for summer. This one is super stretchy. I can wear it without a bra, which is like a blessing. I like to wear things without bra nowadays because it's just so much easier. And you can also wear it off shoulder, so you can wear it on top of your shoulder or off shoulder, which is also very cute depending on what type of occasion it maybe is. But this top is already very cute. Thank you YesStyle for sending me. I love it. Okay, so this is a lip product and it's in the shades A12 Winter Night, and just from looking at the package it seems to be like a red brownish type of color, but also like this. Ooh, alright, it's very smooth, it's very buttery, and it's like a brown reddish, which is a very nice color. I like it, and it does feel hydrating so far. A really pretty shade, yeah. So next they sent me a waterproof pen eyeliner in deep black from the brand MACQUEEN, and you can never have enough eyeliners. Like, honestly, you can just stack them. Yeah, it's very black, it's very thin, like the brush is very thin. You can make very thin lines with it if you want. It's very hard to do an eyeliner if it doesn't give you like tiny lines, because you want to like start with tiny lines and then fill it in. So this one looks promising. Next they gave me an Advanced Snail's 96 Mucin Power Essence from COSRX, which is a very well-known brand. I like this brand a lot. I used to use products from them as well, and it's basically just to moisturize your face, but like it's more of a serum because it goes before your moisturizer, after your toner. I like the packaging, it's nice, it's not too heavy, but it's sturdy and it has like a nice pump to it. Ooh. At first it feels very hydrating. I put a little bit too much, so like my whole arm is glowing right now. You know, with skincare you actually always have to try it out on your skin somewhere like that's not your face first to see if you're not allergic to it. But I am actually not really allergic to a lot of things, even though I have sensitive skin. Like most of the water-based products from Korea I can use. So right now it just feels very hydrating. Nice. So next they gave me the Super Matcha Pore Tightening Serum from the brand Serum by Me, and I've seen this one in Korea as well, so I'm excited to try this out. This one is a smaller packaging, but I really like that it's a green packaging. I don't know, the color is just nice. It's also a pump, and this is supposed to tighten your pores, which I can definitely use because my pores are pretty visible. I'm gonna try this out on my hand as well. Ooh. I always tend to like put way too much product on myself. Ooh, this one feels... Ooh. It smells pretty good, which is probably a problem for those that can't use products with like perfume in it. But for me that's not really a problem. And it feels very hydrating just as the other one. I think like serums you need to use them for a while to like really know if they work or not. But like at first sight it basically always feels moisturizing. So they also gave me makeup brushes, and it came in like this nice velvet pocket, so you can like keep it in there. Oh no, I dirty it. It got dirty because I bumped it into my own hand, which has makeup on it. I should have done this makeup like testing at the end. Not smart. It has a lot of different brushes. I think there's 13 in them. Yeah, a set of 13 makeup brushes from the brand Violeta. And honestly, I really like getting makeup brushes because I'm the type that's like too lazy to clean my brushes. So then I just, instead of like washing my brushes that I like a lot the whole time, I just go for like new ones. But then again, with new brushes you also have to wash them first before you use them, so make sure to do that because they can be nasty, they can be filthy. Like you don't know where it's coming from, like they can be dirty. Then next they gave me the I Do Care Cake My Day Hydrating Sprinkle Wash Off Mask. So this is a mask basically, and assuming from the Cake My Day it might smell like cake. Oh my god, it literally smells like cake. What the hell? And it also has sprinkles in it, like those colors, so it literally, oh my god, this smells like a cupcake. But it's a mask, so yeah, I'm not sure, I've never heard from this. Cake My Day is a cooling, soft, creamy ice cream mask that is a sweet treat for the skin. Have sprinkles in the morning or at night using this formula infused with hyaluronic acid, squalane and glacier water to deeply nourish the complexion with moisture. Ooh, okay. Alright. I'm excited to try this one. It smells really funny. Like, it smells really sweet. Alright, this interesting little thing is a scalp massage cleansing tool from Yulu. So it's supposed to cleanse. Is it just like you just do like this, or like how do you use this? This already feels pretty nice actually. I just wonder if it's gonna tangle my hair up. Like they say that if you like massage your head, it will like encourage hair growth or something, or maybe that's a myth, I don't know. Then we have two more clothing pieces that I want to show you, and this first one is a t-shirt, which is funny because I did see this one a lot of times and I never chose it before. And I always like to add new t-shirts to my collection because I always sleep in cotton t-shirts, so I like to have a lot of them. And this one is so cute, like it's like a little art picture and just a very nice like light peach color. Very cute. Maybe I'll wear this with like a skirt, like tuck it into a skirt, you know? That's also very cute. So this next set I've seen on so many girls and it always looked so cute. So it has like this top that you wear underneath, and then it has a cardigan that you wear on top, and you basically open the cardigan so that you also see the top, and it's just like cute matching sets. That's so adorables. Adorables. I've seen a lot of girls wear this already, so I already know what it's gonna look like on me. I think I'm gonna wear this with like a nice wide leg pants in beige, and I'm gonna wear it to the office, but then I won't open the cardigan all the way because this is essentially a crop top, so I will just open it enough that you see the top but you will still not see the belly, so then it's more work appropriate. But I really like that they gave me a cardigan because without the top you can also wear the cardigan on its own, and that's also very cute for office wear, like business cash. So that's basically all they gave me for their birthday celebrations, and I'm super excited to have these products as always. I also have some YesStyle clothes, of course, on the way for my next haul, because you guys know I be doing hauls left and right for YesStyle, and there's always cute pieces in it. So I can't wait to show you guys that as well. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I would appreciate it so much if you would enter, and I hope you win. Good luck! And I'll see you in my next video as always. Bye!